Bishop Michael Esakhan okui nyes abalebe adaw nyesi ai chorakin apoloki somero kere ai irar ai chorakinete na ebe idwe kere lu edesiarete ai nyito na washa korasi idwe luka Engarenok luka igeresan kese pote ashoman kotachete atutubeti Isirigin luka esomero.
In the coming financial year, I do announce, as I've directed all institutions in this diocese, that to meet the welfare needs of lay readers and the priests, we would like to encourage all leaders and priests make our children work very hard. Any child who gets Division 1 and Division 2 in primary 7, Division 1 and Division 2 in O level, have given a directive to all our institutions, and they have complied. You will be only paying half the tuition fees. We want to reorganize the way you operate. The schools that will not comply, we are going to handle them administratively, because Ngora Girls has led the way. The board met, and I pray that the boards of all Church of Uganda founded institutions will comply and follow Ngora Girls.
Yatakini da bobo Bishop Engarenok balebe asiomani bon nes elachete kanukangun ikusta yono da bobo lui pudasi ai tutuoro kwape imuluka iluka kanisa otoma geresa kes Engarenok kanu alositi hagiari asioman.
Those who like to go to study the course that were formulated for leaders training shall take 2 years, and the training we'll do it first in Soroti as we prepare our grounds. So Soroti Diocese and Kumi Diocese are working collaboratively with our friends from England who will come and support us in the financing of the institution, but we'll be also paying some little money for you, but it will be the responsibility of the diocese. We shall look for money for training you. We may begin with a small number, 10, 20 or thereabout, and then the rest. So if you are in need of training, then we open the door. I put an embargo that we'll be able to train the other year, but we are not going to do that. Let's allow people to go and train.
Konye emanimana lokai somere Kongora district Geoffrey Milton Okuna nesa balebe Ekoto auriak aina kin hai ganga shoman na Idwe teteridwe edesiarete ainyito kotenan.
Echamundo sauria kai gangit kai topolorik private education with all the meager resources they have. So anunyo ikotorone ai gangit private education mamoni ikoto ai gangit the public good of government. So Atac school fees otoma back tetero kedue edumneta rere una isisaid otoma back. Iso maunengon oke somero ebuna som otoma doketait anai keikina.
Kanwa TV East Tolbert Ediini Kongora district.
I love my son.